All right, here's a simple problem. I want to get this square to move towards me. No matter how much I move, no matter which direction I go, I want it to move towards me. Keys, I want to make it so this square moves towards my player. Whatever variable you have, and just...
But I don't know how to animate.
But I don't know how to animate. And pick. But I don't know how to animate. And it's inside a pawn, so sequences aren't an option. But I don't know how to animate. And it's inside of a... But I don't know how to animate, and I need to make it so that it moves inside of an already existing piece of code, so sequences are an option. Don't use sequences, use timelines. A timeline is a note that allows you to make variables that exist and change their value based off whatever time you give it. It looks intimidating, but the only actual things you need to know about it is the length, which is how much time it is set to have, and these things, which are just keys. This is the value and time. Set up for the time and set up for what the change of that variable will be based off that time. So once it hits 3 seconds and 1, I'm not counting that far. Let's just go. Once the timeline hits 5 seconds, just when it's played, so literally just this or this, just play, which means play, stop, play, stop, or play from the beginning, which means no matter what, every time it's inputted, start directly from the beginning. I believe it's every second it's updated, which causes whatever is connected to it to loop and change its value based off whatever value of the timeline is used. To create a new variable, just hit track and then choose which one. I don't even know. Just add float and then just make it, I don't know, bingle bop. There. It'll appear here. That's your value now. That's your variable. This is an actual variable, a float variable connected only to the timeline, and it has no value. It's like a graph. You ever done math before? You got your values, you got your time. It looks intimidating, but it truly isn't once you understand what you're looking at. Anyways, for something this simple, you're just going to want to get 3 different variables, one for X, one for Y, and one for Z. Hi, this is future Jason. I forgot to tell you, when you're searching up set relative location, you want to split the struct pin so all X, Y, and Z split off into different float variables. And then you're going to want to plug those in to set relative location. Set relative location sets the location based off X, Y, and Z to whatever the location of your player is. You're just going to want to get your little cube. Where's the cube? You're just going to want to get your little cube and plug it in as a target. Set the values of whatever variable you need to come closer or go farther or whatever the hell you plan on doing. I was doing something before this, so this is the first whatever. I don't know what it's called. You want to make it so that it's set to start whenever you want it. We want to make it so it starts. Actually, no. Let's make it so it starts at 0.25 seconds when it is started. And then let's set its value all the way to where it is right now. 270. That way it starts all the way at the beginning. And let's get the other one. And we want to make it so it goes all the way down to shit, I don't know, like 50. Yeah, let's just make it so we don't want to make it so it comes too close. And then I just connected it with a simple event. The sequencer is not needed. I just connected it with a simple event of the right click so that I could just do it whenever I want. And with that, I don't know why it's coming down. But yes, now it moves closer to you, see? It moves close. Yes, it can do that now. And you can do it multiple times since it has to reset the value since it's... Yeah.